everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a single wick haul for you from Bath & Body Works. I just got a few of the new spring and Easter candles that I want to share with you. But first, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it and if you want to see more Bath & Body Works content from me, which I'm always down to post. But before I get into the haul, today's video is kindly sponsored by Charmed Aroma. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of some products that they sent me. I am super excited to see these, and I wanted to open the box on camera, so it was my candid reaction to their product. If you don't know, Charmed Aroma is a bath bomb and candle company that has jewelry hidden inside of the bath bombs and candles. So they have a ton of different scents to choose from, and I am so excited to see these. So every single one of their products has jewelry inside of it. They either have rings or bracelets and even necklaces as well. So tons of different jewelry options, and you can customize your size. That way you make sure that it fits you and it's not just one of those like cheap adjustable rings. It will fit you. Oh my gosh, the box already smells so good. So we have a garnet candle. Everything was packaged so well. So they have a ton of different collections for their candles. They have a horoscope collection, and this is from their birthstone collection. My birthstone is garnet because I was born in January, and I just love the sticker that they have on this. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells kind of like fruity and fresh at the same time. It doesn't say what it's called, but it kind of smells like a peach seltzer. Yeah, I am so excited to burn this and then see what jewelry is revealed at the bottom. That is so exciting. And the lid is super pretty too. So in here, the ring will actually have a garnet stone. So whatever birth month you have and whatever your birthstone is, they have a candle for every single one, and you can get jewelry with your birthstone on it, which is so cool. Ooh, and then we have this bath bomb. This is from their Valentine's Day collection. It's got this cute heart on it. This is so adorable. I love how it has like the white and the pink. It's so perfect. This is very Valentine's Day. I love it. So in here we have a bracelet. You can see at the bottom it says bracelet. Oh my gosh, this truly smells amazing. Then this is the thing I'm most excited about. It is this adorable bunny candle. So this is from the Easter collection. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest candle I have ever owned. It's a little bunny and it's marshmallow scented. It's called Marshmallow Bunny, and there's a ring at the bottom of this candle. Look how pretty she is. There's a little heart right here. This is the candle, and then you see her like cute little face. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest candle ever. And it smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put this out with my Easter decor. It's gonna look amazing. And I'm thinking the nice thing about this one is even when the candle is done burning, you get jewelry, and then you can save this glass and just use it as a regular bowl. Oh my gosh, that's what I'm gonna do. It's so cute. I'm so excited. Another bonus of Charmed Aroma is that all of their candles and bath bombs are vegan and cruelty free. We love to see it. So go ahead and check out their website. I'm gonna have them linked below so you can see all of the wonderful things that Charmed Aroma has. Okay, so moving on to the Bath & Body Works haul. I made one online order, and then I got 4 single wicks from the store the day that they were on sale for $6.50. So the ones that I got from this store are the Happy Easter candles. I just love this packaging so much, and I love the blue wax, so I got 2. I just think it is so cute, and I was afraid that maybe next year I won't like the single wick design as much, so that's why I got 2. The scent is actually the Perfect Spring, so I like this scent. It is a little different. I usually have all of the Perfect Spring items with my St. Patrick's Day decor because they're usually green, but this year it's with the Easter stuff and it is blue. So I think it smells really good. Definitely a perfect spring scent. It kind of reminds me of when they used to have the scent fresh cut grass a little bit. So there's a little bit of the grass in there. It smells really good. Then I also got Somebody Loves You. I especially like that all of these Easter candle single wicks will match. The font is the same, the style is the same, and I like that they will look good on display together. So Somebody Loves You is strawberry pound cake. It smells pretty amazing, definitely very springy. Love the pink wax, so I was super excited to get this one. It's adorable, and it's got the little bunny, so how cute. Then the last one I got in the store is Sunshine. This is the scent Sunshine and Daffodils. Honestly, this might be the favorite scent that I got out of all of my single wicks. I love how this smells. I don't think I had smelled it before, but it really smells nice. It's a very bright and floral scent. It smells so good. You have to like floral scents to like this one, but it just smells so clean and amazing, and I love that it's just so bright and yellow, so that was a good one. Then with my online order, I got 2 of the exclusive scents. The first one is Let Love Glow. This is from the Valentine's Day collection, but I don't have any single wicks from Bath & Body Works for my Valentine's Day collection, and I think this one is super cute. It is in the scent Candy Hearts, so it matches the 3 wicks that I have, and I love the pink wax. I think it's so cute. Oh yeah, this is very much appropriate for Valentine's Day, so that's going with my Valentine's Day stuff. And then I absolutely love seeing this one online, You Crack Me Up, and it's got a little chick and her egg right there. And this one smells amazing. I love that it's got the yellow wax. This is the scent Marshmallow Fluff. Oh my gosh, it just smells so yummy and so good. I wish these had the notes on them because Marshmallow Fluff is amazing. So yeah, I'm super excited to have these 3 all in a row. They match perfectly. I love the bright spring colors and I just love them so much.